Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I actually decided to do an unboxing for you. It's really an unbagging. I know, I'm sorry, I'm way too technical, way too literal, but it's a unboxing of a new pair of Zenni glasses. And I was really excited when I got them, but I held out for y'all. So please appreciate, like, subscribe, and all that. This channel is mainly hair, beauty, and fashion. So if you're into those things, just hit that subscribe button and come back because I got a lot of videos coming up. Just disclaimer, I'm doing some multiple videos right now. So we just go start with this, and then when y'all come back for the next one, if I'm wearing the same thing, don't judge. Like, because this happened all in one night. Anyways, so I did order. Now go back if you haven't seen it. I'll link it above, I'll link it below, wherever you need to find it. I reviewed some Zenni sunglasses because I needed some sunglasses, some prescription sunglasses. But now I decided that I wanted to try out some glasses with the blue light blocking. It's called Blokz with a Z from Zenni. So it's their blue light blocking, which I feel like I work on the computer a lot at one of my jobs. So I wanted to try that because I feel like lately my eyes have been getting kind of tired, and that's what this is really good for. So I wanted to try that out, and they're really inexpensive, so why not like try out them. And I'm loving my sunglasses, so like I said, I'll link that video so you guys can go check it out if you want to see one of my other Zenni reviews. So let's get into it. Let's stop all this extra. I'm looking for my scissors. So came in a regular bag. We just gonna go ahead and cut through this. Okay, here we go. I'm super excited. I waited just for y'all, So we have the glasses, and it did come in that blue. I'm so happy. Like, Zenni, can y'all get the blue for the sunglasses? Like, y'all would be my best friend because this color blue is so pretty for the cases. I love it. And then I got a little card that says, thank you for choosing Zenni. And it invites us to share the just got my Zennis on social media. So I think I might do that. OrdinaryOpulence, same as YouTube, on Instagram. Okay, so go ahead and subscribe to that as well. Plug. And yeah, so this is actually what I got. So thank you, Zenni, for the reminder. Everything on together, I paid $60 for a pair of prescription sunglasses, which is really great. I have the Blokz on here, as well as anti, you know, like making it dirty, smudging, all that stuff. So that's a really good price, especially with the upgrades. Anyways, you know what? I actually got transitions on here too. I'm just opening it up, I think. Come on, there we go. So I actually got transitions, so they should get darker when I go in the sunlight. I was like, you know what, I'm getting the extra stuff, why not just splurge? Like, I'm gonna just splurge. So I spent the whole $60 splurging on prescription sunglasses. Like, come on now, that is a great deal. I hope I like them. I did choose like a different kind of pair, and they're pink, so I was a little, we'll see. They look a little smaller than I thought they were gonna be, but let's see. So we got a little care card in here. It's wrapped up in the little, you know, what is this called, y'all? The little cleansing cloth. Dang, come on. Are you on? Alright, so let's go ahead and take these off. Okay, so they're not like super small like I thought. They're pink at the top. I thought they were going to be a little more pink, but this is a good color because it's almost like a rose gold type of color. So I really like it, and let's just go ahead and try them on. it's nothing like putting on a brand new pair of sunglasses or glasses, prescription glasses, where you look up and it's like, oh my God, I can see. It's super clear. Now, wow. I love it. It's nothing like it, y'all. So, I do like these glasses. I think for my face, they're a little smaller than I expected. I thought they were gonna be, I like the shape, but I thought they were gonna be a little wider. So I will say that they're a little, you know, like I feel like I would like for them to be like the frame to be a little more big, but you know, I didn't take a good picture for my profile uploading, and it worked with the sunglasses, but apparently not with the glasses as much as I like. But other than that, I can see out of them really clear. It's like seeing, like, I don't even have glasses on. Like, it really feels like that. Like, it's so comfortable. And the other thing about these glasses, they do have the little nose pads on here, which I think is my first pair of glasses that have that, which it's fine. It don't not bother me. But I did get a thinner lens, like a thinner lens, so that might be why it looks like so clear as well. But overall, thank you, Zenni. I love these glasses. Came with pretty much everything you need to be able to take care of your glasses and clean them. Zenni has been good to me so far. Let me know what you guys think. Also, if you want to update on the transition, since obviously it's like I won't be going outside in them, at least not for this video. So if you like a video with me testing out the transitions when they get darker when I go outside, let me know. I might do a little mini vlog how I did in the previous video. And other than that, I'm not gonna keep y'all too long. I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing of my new Zennis. Thank you, Zenni. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay tuned. I got so much coming up, like y'all just don't know. So if you've been here, you've been rocking with me, thank you. I appreciate it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next one.